Jelani finna bake a cake for y'all. So, he got all of his stuff. I'm only gonna help him with some of the other stuff, so. I hope they can see you. Hold up, stand up. Let me make sure. You already got half a cup of milk, so you need to pick this up. Actually, let's pour this in there first, cause. He's making, aka I'm making, aka we making, or we're making a strawberry cake. Wait. Let's see what we gotta preheat the oven to. 350, okay? I'm gonna preheat the oven. Wait a second. All right, now you gotta stand up so you can pour this in there. If I can get it open. You know I'm weak. I am weak. I don't know how I lost all my muscle from doing after.
What happened, Emma?
Where you see Emma? All right. Oh, you see Emma over there. Okay. You're gonna pour this in there. Here. Pour it in the bowl. Pour it in this bowl. Yep. Pour it in there. Wait, don't shake it. Don't shake it. Pour it in there. All the way. All the way. Good job. All right. What's next? When we need to add in the milk. So this is already half a cup of milk. I'm gonna need to make you another cup. Okay, pour it in there. Pour your milk in there. Pour it in there. Jesus. This is gonna be something. All right, get you another half cup of milk. You gotta pour it. Make sure you aim for the bowl next time, okay? Okay. If you need help, let me know. Here, hold it. Oh, good job. You did that time. I'm gonna add in a little bit, just a tiny bit, for the milk that we lost. Okay. Because we don't want too much. Because, wait, don't stir it yet. Or you can stir. You can stir it. Oh gosh, no, Jesus. We gotta keep it in the bowl, okay? Hold on. Oh my goodness, we're losing ingredients. Wait, let's wait to mix, okay? I want you to be able to do this, but you gotta do it effectively. So now you need to add in your half cup of vegetable oil. Here, I'm gonna help you with this because this is glass, okay? All right, go ahead, pour it. No, you gotta hold it. Yeah, pour it in there. Good job. Shake, 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 shake. Good job. All right, what's next? Do you know how to crack an egg? Yeah, so I don't even know how to do that good either. Go. Crack. Ooh. Good job.
Ew, egg.
Ew, egg. We gotta crack 3. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Okay, let's open it up. Oh, that's 2. You better than me at this.
The egg.
All right, then you gotta do the 3rd one. Ready? You gonna do it? Go ahead, you gotta crack it. Crack it right here. Here, hold it. 1, 2, 3. Let's not get no shell in it. That one might. Let me see, because you got a little bit of shell on your hand. Yeah. Wait. Oh, we making a mess. My goodness, we making such a mess.
Rock.
Yeah, there we go.
The egg.
Yeah. All right. Now we get to mix it. Because we put in, let's see, our cake mix, water, eggs, and oil in a large bowl. And you got to do this for about 30 seconds. So hold it and stir. Yep. Stir it together. You gotta stir it good. Hold on, let me see. Once I get all the flour. You got it. Hold up. I'm trying to make sure there's no more flour. All right, now you stir it. Stir it, stir it, stir it. And I'm going to clean up while you do it. Be careful. I'm watching you from a distance. Stir it. Put it back in the bowl. Stir it. Yeah, good job. Put it back in the bowl. You gotta stir it around. I don't know how I'm gonna pick that up. We're riding in a fire truck. Fire truck. Whenever you're done, let me know when you're done. I'm help you. We gotta make sure we get all the ingredients stirred up before. Yes, what's it? Yeah, you gotta mix it. Ooh, it smells good, doesn't it? Y'all, this is what his mix is looking like. I'm giving him a helping hand because although this is a little fun task, I'm still gonna be eating this cake. And I want to taste good, so. Yeah, go ahead. You gotta stir like this. Hold your hand around it like that. Okay. Now, stir, stir, stir. Say, guys, I'm making strawberry cake. I need to see if I can get it.
Strawberry cake.
Ah! Put it back in the bowl. Pour this in the sink or something. All right, and then I'll wipe up the rest. Now we gotta keep the spoon in the bowl, okay, buddy? Cause you wanna, what's the name, as much as possible. You want your cake to get real fluffy, okay? Put that back in there, stir it. I think it's about time we put it in the thing too. Because, let's see. Let's see if our oven is ready. Our oven is still preheating, but we're gonna go ahead and pour this in there. You wanna pour this in there? Okay, let's make sure it's all good. Let me see. Fire truck. We're riding in a fire. Please understand, guys, he's only 1.5. He'll be 2 in like a month. I wouldn't even say a month. He's got like a month and a half. So.
Do you want some?
Yeah.
Do you want apple?
Ooh, it smells good, doesn't it? I think it's ready for the bowl. Yeah, I think it's ready. Okay. You want to hold it? We pour it in there? No? Okay, you use the spoon. Scrape it out. Help scrape the cake. There you go. Scrape it out the bowl, y'all. Scrape it. Scrape it. Scrape it out the bowl. Good job. You're doing a great job. Then make it no mess. Just keep scraping it. Look, do like this. We're riding in a fire truck. Say we're making a mess and it's okay.
Ew.
Ew. Why is it ew?
Ew.
I hope ew is a good thing. Oh, let me see. I'm gonna give it back to you. I just need it.
Shoes. Ew. Shoes.
When we do this, then you gotta help me wash the dishes. You gonna help me? You got it? Okay. Scrape it like this. You can't even see. Can you see it now? Scrape it. Scrape it, scrape it, scrape it, scrape it. Pat it, pat like that. All right. Shake, pat, 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 pat. All right.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
And then I'm gonna pick this up. I'm gonna put it in the oven for you, okay? Because the oven's too hot for you to do. I'll do the oven part. Alright. It needs to go in the oven for about, let's check the timer.
Ew, boo.
To like 25 minutes.
Ew, boo. Ew, boo.
Alright.
Alright. Magic.
You can play with that. Don't eat that. Did you eat that? Yeah, don't eat it. So guys, we have about 19 minutes for the cake to bake. When that's done, I'm gonna stick it in the freezer for about 10-15 minutes to get it cool, because that pan gets really hot. We're gonna place it on our little cake platter, and I'm gonna let Jelani ice it. He will get to do that majority by himself. Majority. I'm gonna be there because yeah. Frosting, they did not have strawberry icing. Target was all out, so yeah. And I'm not even a what?
Chips.
Chips? No, it says rainbow chip, but I'm not an icing girly. Everybody who knows me knows that I don't really like icing. That's the only thing that I'd be like, yeah, I got a pile of icing, but anything else, y'all, I don't. But let me hand the phone to Jelani and see what he got to say to y'all. Be careful, because it's heavy.
Heavy. It's heavy.
Yeah, it's heavy. Be careful.
Heavy.
What you gonna tell them?
My cake cutters.
Yeah.
My cake cutters.
Yeah, it's recording. Yeah.
But WhatsApp?
WhatsApp. We already got the little cake thing out. I rinsed this off, let it air dry. The cake is at 11 minutes in the oven. So the cake's in the freezer. We got about 12 minutes on it to get it cool. Y'all, we're getting ready to ice the cake. Yeah, saying we about to ice it. Perfecto! So y'all, it came smooth out of the pan. Smooth out of it. Yeah, wait. Scoot over. Uh-oh. Okay. Here, stick your spoon in here. Yeah, you gotta stand up. You might have to stand up. Come on. You can do it, okay? Let me see that spoon. Here, you put icing on the cake.
Okay.
Yeah, be very careful. I'll show you how I do it. You go ahead, and then I'm gonna get one side. See how? You say Langston gentle? You gotta be gentle with the cake. Cause you gotta do it like this. Cause I don't want the cake to come up. You gotta smooth. I'm messing up too. I think because it has sprinkles in it, that's what's causing it to break the cake up. It's gonna be a messy cake, but hopefully it's good, right? What you thinking? Huh? You think it's gonna be good? Yep. Here, can you scoot over? Scoot. There we go. All right. No, you can stay standing up.
Big cake. Big cake.
Yeah, there we go.
There you go.
That's so much better. You keep going in the same spot. Come over here. Ice that, okay? Because once I... Okay? It ain't got to be pretty. You just don't want to cut the cake while you icing it, okay? Gentle. Gentle. She's not very pretty. Say, but she gonna taste good.
Apples.
Huh?
Katie.
Who? You scooping it, boo. Here, let me show you. Alright, like that, okay? How about you scoop it and then I smooth it? Child, you got it on your hair. I mean, on your head. Are you eating it? I gotta watch you. Yeah. Okay, no. You cannot eat icing. As tempting as it is. Oh, it's so sweet too. Ugh. You like that? Y'all, the child done started licking the spoon. I had to take his spoon from him. This tastes like, ugh, it's so sweet. Why is it so sweet?
You like them?
It is vanilla flavor. Not you want some. No, Booty, you cannot eat this icing.
Boom.
No spoon. You're gonna be hyper. Do you know how hyper you're gonna be?
Boom. Boom.
Spoon? You already licked off of it. Are you gonna ice the cake? Ice the cake. Don't lick that, okay? Do not lick that spoon. Do not lick that spoon. Do not lick it. Resist. Resist. Resist the urge. Wait, we're bumping into each other. I know it's kind of hard because you heavy-handed. Here, let me help you. Put it on the back of the spoon. I'm gonna keep trying to help you because, hey, I know it's hard. It ain't gonna look pretty. So we ain't bakers, but you can't scoop the cake up because then it's gonna break. It's just not gonna be pretty, and that's okay. That's okay.
Go.
Wait, and off of it. It's icing. Don't you eat that. Stay over here, ice. Ice. Say ice, ice, baby. I don't even know if that song's appropriate. Let's not sing that. Okay.
Okay.
Y'all, I'm trying to eat icing. Doesn't have to be pretty. It's not gonna be pretty. Considering I keep trying to get him to smooth it out and he keeps scooping it. But he's living his best life over here. As long as you're not eating icing, you can do whatever you please to an extent. Because I feel like you sneakily eating icing. I can't see you because I wasn't looking. Was you eating icing? Be honest. Were you eating it? Don't eat it, okay? Look what I'm doing.
Do it.
Do it like this.
Yes.
On the side.
Yes.
Okay? Hold your spoon like that. Or, obviously you can't hold it exactly like that. But just scoop the icing. You like it?
Like it?
Yeah. Ice this part, look. You see where it's pink? Make it white. Color it. It's like coloring.
Color.
Yeah, color on the sides. We already got it like that. Color, color, color. Say color, color, color. Try not to put too much icing on it because I don't like the cake to be sweet. But it's hard to smooth it out. You're on this side. Smooth it like that. It's hard to get it to go. You did that on purpose. You're so sneaky. You think you're so slick. Try to get me to taste it and then gonna taste it. It's too early for that. Say it's no time like the present time. It looks horrible.
Right.
That's a sprinkle. Don't put that back in there. You can put it on the table.
Sprinkles.
Sprinkles. Yeah. To his side too. At this point, let him live his best life. I'm not saying let him eat no cake because I'm just gonna let him ice it how he chooses to ice it. It's gonna look crazy. Regardless.
Cake.
I feel like we ain't even got all of the sides yet. I do not like this icing at all. This icing is horrible.
Cake.
Yeah. We making a mess over here. And you scooping the icing up. This little cake gonna be naked. Say, sure. I wish we had the skills, we could make it into a heart, but we don't have the skills.
Cake.
Wait, we gotta do the side. Your hand's a mess? My hand's a mess too. I don't know how I feel about it. What you think?
Hey, white cake.
In my hands.
Why?
Or icing my hands.
Cake.
Get some of this icing off.
Cake.
Y'all see I'm scooping some of it back off. There's a lot of ice.
Cake.
Because it's like, we try to smooth it out. We give it that little rustic look. Say, it ain't gotta be perfect. What you thinking, Boop?
Whoa. Whoa. Whoa.
Why you keep icing me?
Ow. Ice.
Ow, ice. Why you saying ow? Who hurt you?
Ow. Ow.
Okay.
Cake.
Cake! I took some of the icing back off. I'm gonna show y'all what it looked like and then let him go at it. Have fun icing it. Cause, yeah. This is our cake. Our masterpiece. The messy table, messy child,
Cake.
messy hands. Yep.
Cake.
Cake. Are you all done? Are you done icing it? Yeah? Because I'm done. There's a lot of icing. Try to scoop it off.
Binga.
Binga! Bluey! We gotta put these in the sink. Our cake. What do you think?
Cake.
You like it? Yeah, I think it looks good.
Ew, cake.
Yeah, okay.
Sprinkles.
No, that's not sprinkles. Those is not sprinkles. That's garlic parmesan seasoning. Y'all, He calling it sprinkles. If we didn't put that on the cake, it ain't gonna be no good, but
That wrinkles.
nope, not sprinkles. Watch your fingers. Gotta get a wipe for you. Look at it. Is this the sprinkle? Bro, I hope it's not nasty. Did you think it was nasty?
The wrinkles.
This is garlic parmesan. How about we not put that in our mouths? We're gonna put this on top of the cake, like that. Look. You wanna snap it close? Lift that part up. Yeah, pick it up like this. Okay. Uh-oh. Now do the other side. Pick that up. You saw what I just did? Pick this up and close it. A mess. Okay. So now the cake's in our little cake thing. I'm gonna put it on. Thank you for watching. You gonna tell people thank you for watching? No? Yep. You already know the dealio.
No cake.
No cake? Till later, okay? We're gonna get to have cake later. Here's a mess. Y'all, I'm actually put this in the refrigerator. This is the icing. The cake. Looks very fluffy and moist. Let's see.